To teach the concept of weight and size, let us use some of the teaching aids from our kit. Let us look at them. To understand weight and size, let us use a weighing scale. What we have to observe here is it has two vessels and the pointer helps find out if it is balanced or not. Apart from the scale, we have yellow cubes of base 10 and blue rods. Here a single cube of base 10 weighs 1 gram, each yellow cube is 1 gram and the blue rod weighs 10 grams, and also we have 100 yellow cubes in our kit. So 100 grams yellow cubes and we have 20 blue rods, that is 200 grams. So we can weigh about 300 grams in total. We need to keep in mind that these green plates are not weighing 100 grams since they are hollow. Hence, we do not use them for teaching weights. So, we will not use the green plates. We use only the yellow cubes and blue rods. Please look at this vessel. It has markings of 100 ml, 200 ml, 300 ml till 1000 ml. That is, we can measure up to 1 liter of liquid. So we can use it to measure up to 1 liter. And to teach the concept of length, we are using the tape provided in the kit. One side of the tape we have markings made in inches, and on the other side there are centimeters. How to use this tape will be discussed later. Now let us proceed to measuring weight. Let us see how to measure weight. In this weighing scale, there are adjustable nodes. On the very first time and only once in the process, we can move it back and forth. We can ensure that the pointer rests in the center by carefully adjusting it and making sure that the pointer is balanced. We leave it alone. Both the vessels of the scale should be balanced when they are empty. How do we show the weighing process? Let us see. I have a few abacus rings and I will put them in one vessel. I take a few more abacus rings and put them in other. The vessel which is heavier has gone down and the lighter vessel is elevated and the pointer is leaning on one side. When we observe, we understand this vessel is heavier and this vessel is lighter. But how do we measure how much do they weigh? Here we can see the concept of heavy and light which was discussed in the last class. We have seen it. However, we haven't come to standard units yet. Which are the standard units? How do we understand them? To see the point, let us measure how much do these rings in this box weigh. I shall empty this box. Now in this box, as I mentioned earlier, yellow cubes of base 10 each weighs 1 gram and blue rods of base 10 weighs 10 grams. I shall keep putting one at a time. Let us see the weight. I have put 10 grams, one blue rod, second blue rod has gone in. Now I am putting in 1 gram each, 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks, 4 blocks and 5 blocks. Now let us see the weights in this box. 10 grams, 20 grams, 21 grams, 22 grams, 23 grams. Therefore, what is the weight of the rings in this box? 23 grams. Here we can use different objects. Objects in the class such as geometry box, pen, pencil, such easily available objects can be put in one side. On the other side, put the base 10 rods and we can weigh the objects.